naman. Dagat na. Okay, going for a book. Morning.
Papahawa ko sana to.
Napunta na lang dun. This is the highway as soon as you got out of the town, like from the Cowhead. And fortunately, we've been blessed with good weather today. Kahit na sobrang hangin, and we don't have snow yet. As you can see to the sceneries, itong mountain na po, may mga ano na sila. May mga yellow na. Let me zoom in. Boss unleaded?
Ha?
Boss unleaded? Full tank, pwede. Accept ko yung Gcash.
Hindi, ano lang. Check lang, check it.
Keke. Boss, pwede pa pa-wipe na rin yung windshield. Ha? Okay, thank you. This is the second town going south. We're now at St. Paul's, 15 minutes away from Cowhead. 1 hour and 45 minutes from Corner Brook. Wala guys, dulo na talaga ng mundo yung place namin. Sa ilalim ng I love you baby and it was alright. Mangal ko gaman.
Can I ask for a straw?
Yeah.
Thank you. Lito ka kayang maayos dyan.
Tingnan ko dyan. Time lapse. Thinking about you. I don't need money. I don't need cars. Lukot Sarah. Corner Brook.
I'm just stepping outside. You're all good? Okay, my love. Do you have blank blankets there?
No.
No? Okay, okay. Perfect.
Plate number. Plate number. Put down your straight ahead. It's not anything at 5 o'clock for supper. Until what time? So long. Until 9:59. That's sure.
Okay. Any questions, just dial 0.
Just waiting for our laundry. We brought our laundry here in the city kasi we don't have time. We woke up around 10 and the drive is 2 hours away. So since we decided to stay here for the night because right now it's snowing, and then we're gonna run back to RBC because hopefully we can finish it all today or tomorrow before heading back home. And there it goes. It's snowing again. Mag-i-snow titigil. Mag-i-snow titigil. Magkakalat lang ako. Sarado ko na to. Your bank statements. Bank statement for the savings for the last 3 months. Okay. And they're asking also for like a bank certificate. They said it includes the amount of the...
What's in your account? Yep. Okay. Just give me a moment there.
Na agad?
Oo. Bank statement sa isang page. Nandun na summary for 3 months. And then for the bank certificate, less than 10 seconds is gone. Now we're done with the bank errands. It only took us less than 30 seconds to get the bank statements and bank certificate. And we're heading to Walmart because this guy needs a new winter jacket.
So we're buying a jacket for me and then...
Sige! Naiya ka no?
Hindi ako. Hindi naman ako naiya. Tama na ako maiya.
Usus! Tara. Walmart. Snow. Hindi ko lang usap ang details. Snow.
Sa taga to post niya.
Ay.
Lagyan pala ng
Bakit nakaganyan?
Lagyan ng controller.
Lipat tayo, wala yata eh. Chinera, saan bumili?
Malakad dun banda. Isang section pa lang tinignan natin.
Okay, go. tula-tula pa mo, kid. Yung binibidyo mo.
Mga mga binibenta nila dito.
Ayun. Yan, medium. Wala ka pa ng blue eh. Ito
Ito
din.
mga malaki.
Hindi naman. Pating. Mas bagay yung Canada gusto mo. Pating harap. Tsaka naka-jacket ka sa loob. Ito. Iwag naman ganyan. May ilaw ka sa gabi.
Ba't apat? Isa lang. Dalawa lang kamay ko, apat.
Kala ko ba, we don't need the cart. Konti lang bibilin.
Kunti lang. Ito, bitlog. Bilotlog pala.
Timami.
Kala ko bitlog. Gusto mong bitlog?
Try.
Try mo.
Anong flavor to? Ay, ako may jelly.
Oh, dibog.
Bumili na naman kaming eco bag. Wala na naman kaming dalang eco bag.
May membership card po kayo.
Kuya, pakibilis naman.
Nampagoy ko.
Oh, kuya, double time.
Bagger ko naman, mami Jerry.
Kuya, pakibayad na din.
Hindi po, mami.
Tanong, saan tayo nag-park?
Dito lang, banda.
Saan mo malamig? Ay, puno yun.
Hmm?
Puno.
Let's go.
So we stayed here. We're here at the Green Mill Inn in Corner Brook. So this is the place. Gabi na, wala ng view.
Ay, hindi ko pala napindot.
Anak ka, nung tipaklong lang kanina.
Ayun, pindot ko na. Go.
Hindi nga. Di mo nga napindot.
Hindi
Mula
ko.
sa baba.
Oo.
Mula sa baba.
Oo.
Ay,
Tara, baba tayo. Akit ka ulit.
Hayaan mo na. Seryoso.
Oo.
Hindi mo nga napindot.
Pindot ko, joke lang.
Hindi ka pa sure. Kung mabubuksan ko siya today. Okay.
2 piraso lang yata yung pineapple ah.
Not bad. Oh, okay, not bad.
Hmm?
Okay, bad. Let's eat.
He must be joining him.
Are you? Good morning. We're still at the Green Mill Inn. Breakfast nila is from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. but we woke up late. We decided to extend another night, so we're leaving tomorrow. And yeah, we have the early schedule by tomorrow at 9:30. And buti na lang we brought our laundry kasi wala kaming damit. But anyway, look how nice the restaurant is. I show them around maybe. Nantok ako. Coffee? Kulang coffee.
Ito pa yung barako.
Lagi na ice. Nag-breakfast tayo ngayon. Dati hindi tayo nag-breakfast kahit free.
Do you guys need more coffee or?
Yes, please for coffee.
We still have some more.
Oh, we still have?
We still have some more.
Okay, that is fine then. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, should be okay.
Thank you.
I'll be back in with check.
Ano ba nakakapit na?
Wala tayong damit. Puro pambahay lang yung dala natin. But anyway, we're staying here. It's a very nice inn. Ewan kung hindi mo talaga.
Sa Baguio lang to.
Kaso di tayo outfit ready. Yung laundry ko, puro pambahay to. Pa-open, baby.
Sorry ah, 2 lang kamay ko eh. Patubuhin ko muna yung isa.
Hindi ko dadalhin buong yan. Nakakaya makita nila sa
Oh, pipili ka nga, di ba?
Oo, hawakan mo to.
Oo, 2 lang din pala kamay mo.
Ikaw may damit ka na.
Video kita mag-ano. Ano ba yung damit?
Pwedeng buo. Dalhin mo to buo.
Buti.
Ay, alam mo, dun tayo sa back entrance. I-elevator na lang natin to. Dun naman siya eh.
Wala.
No? Nakakaya. Para madala natin buo yung ali yan. Hindi nakita ng front desk na may dala tayong laundry.
Physical 20.
Dito ka lang tayo sa likod na daan. Go.
Physical na.
Gising ako. Gising ako.
Down na.
Anong oras? Grocery na naman.
2 centimeters inland over higher terrain. North and northwest winds gusting to 50 km/h.
I found some Vietnamese restaurant in Corner Brook. Ang cute oh, parang house. Let's see. Thailand yan. Cutie. Here na lang. Wala akong nakuha. Hindi ako makakuha eh. Bigyan mo na lang ako.
Hindi ko nga alam kung tama yung ginagawa ko.
Christmas decorations are up. Let's go. Morning! Hindi na naka-update because we were rushing. So we are here in the RNC, Royal Newfoundland Constabulary. I hope I said it correctly. To get our fingerprints done. Oh, wrong door again. Ano ba yan? Thank you, baby. Ah. Tari naman ang sound trip mo.
Kala ko kasi uli na nila ako eh.
I'll bring my It's done. We did our fingerprints. We're just gonna send it to US. And he was asking me, why are you shaking? Sabi niya sa akin ganyan. Tawa ko siguro yung nasa police station. Every pa ako nagpunta ng police station.
Ako naka-ready na yung poses nung isa eh. Kailangan natin palang i-print tong confirmation email.
Hindi pa sinarado ko na to.
Sinarado mo na? Kailangan, binasa ko ulit. Sinigurado ko lang kung may nabasa ko kailangan isama.
Okay.
May isa ka pa naman.
Grabe yung fog dun eh.
Oo nga no. Oo nga no.
Kuya, magkano po pa-print? Ang dami yung sideline ah. Ha?
Pasulat na lang ng name, address, email, and phone number mo. And
Drive through because it's already 1 p.m. and we still didn't have our lunch yet. Hi, so that's it for this vlog. To the church and pray, to give thanks, and more guidance, more patience, energy pa, and pasensya para matapos na namin kung ano man yung rason namin, bakit kami nandito, bakit kami nag-move. And medyo magulo tong vlog na to kasi grabe yung stress. Thank you. Nagawa lahat ng paraan. Ang galing lang talaga nito. So, to give thanks.
Yes.
See you on the next vlog. Wow. Bye.